Hey, what's up YouTube? How's it going? So I'm gonna show you guys a common problem with a lot of cars, not just this specific car, but it's actually any car, because it's really common, especially if a lot of people don't do their tune-up on time, like the spark plugs, or even if it's doing like a PCV valve, like the little guy right there. So we're gonna be talking about a engine misfire. I got P0301, which is a cylinder one misfire. I already went ahead and I fixed this cable here. This cable was out, so all I did was fix it. This is for any car that has a misfire. There's three reasons why a car will have a misfire. The first reason could be if your spark plug is really burnt already and it's time to change them. The second reason would be the coil has stopped working. So these coils are electronic, so once they go bad and your car will start stuttering. A lot of things will happen. You lose a lot of power from your car. And then the third and last reason would be because of a fuel injector. So if a fuel injector fails as well, you'll be getting a misfire code as well. So it's one of the three problems. Coil, it could be the connector. That one I had to fix it with a little bit of silicone for now. I'm gonna buy the pigtail later, that way it can be job well done. So coil, fuel injector, or the spark plug under the ignition coil. Also, what else? Let me see. So you see the way these are looking? These are nice and tucked, clean. So spark plugs are part of the tune-up. A lot of people don't know what a tune-up is. A tune-up pretty much means like doing a transmission fluid change, an oil change, spark plugs, like the air filter. This one doesn't have an air filter. It's just a straight, it's an aftermarket air filter. It gives the car more power and stuff. So this is for anybody that's having a misfire issue of P0301, P0302, 03, 04, 5, 6, 7, 8. It depends how much cylinders you have on your car. But if you guys have any questions or anything, any concerns, go ahead and leave it down on the comments, and then I'll answer you guys as soon as I can. But for now, that's it. This has been Diaz Auto Care at your service. Thank you guys for watching.